in this tutorial, we are going to see how do we create folders and folder groups for contacts. Okay, so last time we just saw how to categorize contacts. We have seen that. We'll now see how to create specific folders with respect to contacts. And when you are composing a new email, you can just type the name of the folder that you have created, and all the contacts within that folder will be added. For doing that, again, we'll have to come to the People's Hub. Let's come over here, and these are the contacts which are present in my list. Okay, so now I want to first say add a personal contact in the list. So I am adding a personal contact now. So what I'll do is I'll first add my personal contact. Email ID is this, Martin. I'll write his name. Okay, so this is the contact. I'll save and close. So Martin is now added. Now I will create a new folder. Okay, so let's start by understanding how do we create a new folder. Again, you come to the ribbon over here. We have the option for folder. So I'll click on the folder tab, and what I'll do is I'll click on new folder. So since this is my personal contact list, I'll name the folder as friends, and folder contents, I'll keep this as contacts. So select where you want to place the folder. I'll click on contacts, and I'll click on OK. So once I click on OK, under my contacts, can you see this new folder which is added? Okay, so if I click on this, you can see currently there is no one. So I want to add my friend Martin in this. Okay, so how do I add it? A simple way is I select this person, I click my mouse, and I drag it in friends. Okay, so now let's see what has happened if I click on friends. Can you see once I click on friend, Martin is present in this folder. Okay, so this is how you just add a new friend in this folder. Okay, now if you want to add more contacts, you can again do that. Okay, I'll just click on new contact, add the name of that contact with the email ID. So let's do it once. So I have added one more person. His name is Raymond, and I'll save and close. So can you see now Raymond is also added in this particular friends folder. Okay, so this is a simple way of adding a folder with specific contacts. Now we have added a folder. Okay, let's see now how we can create a group. So I want to create a group wherein all my personal contacts are saved. So currently there are no groups which are present. What I'll do is I'll just come to my contacts, I'll right click on this, and I'll click on new folder group. So the name I will give it as personal contacts, and this new group is now present. Now what I want to do is I want to bring friends under personal contacts. Okay, so I'll just drag or click on friends, select friends once, and I'll bring it under personal contacts. Okay, just drag it under personal contacts. Okay, so if you bring it, it will be present under personal contacts. So my contacts is a contact group, personal contact is a contact group. Okay, under my contacts we have this contacts present. Under personal contacts I have friends contacts present. So wherever you want to add it, you can do it from here as well. Now let's try to message whoever are there in my friends list. I would like to send them an email. So what I'll do is again I'll go to mail, click on new email. In the to item, or let's make it as my personal ID, or let's keep it as business only. In the to list, I'll double click on this. What I'll do is I will select on friends. Okay, since contacts is a different list and friends is a different list, I'll click on friends. So I'll click on Martin and Raymond. How have I selected this? I just selected Martin, and then I clicked on control and selected Raymond and clicked on 2. Okay, so once I click on 2, both of them are now added in the list. So now whatever is your message, you can just accordingly type the subject and send them your email address. So I'll type the subject as let's meet up. Okay, whatever is your text body, you can write it. So is it possible to meet on Sunday? This is a message, and you just click on send. So that particular text is now sent. Okay, so this is how you create a contact or a folder and you add a specific contact. You can again create contact group also. So this is what we have seen in this tutorial.